Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel.
So I went on the internet and I did find me like a little easy recipe for this roast. I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'm just gonna do that recipe well. I'm gonna do kind of what the recipe say, but I am gonna be using some cream of chicken when it get like a little bit done. Cream of chicken and some onions, potatoes in it, and carrots. So I got my carrots right here, my potatoes right here. And we're gonna be having us some macaroni. Y'all found this easy old-fashioned macaroni, the simple macaroni. Just simple, y'all. I'm gonna be trying to cook me some candy yams, y'all. Y'all gotta stay tuned, watch this video, see how this food come out. I might fry me a little bit of chicken. I don't know why I'm cooking all this food, y'all. I just wanna cook today. But I hope you guys like this video. Y'all, I haven't cooked in a long time. I haven't made a video since I cooked that fish, but like actually cooking food. But y'all, this roast seems like it's kind of thick too. Yeah, this roast probably will take about what, 3 to 4 hours to cook. So it's already 1:45 here Eastern. So let me try to get this roast on right quick. I'm gonna put it in this pan. And yeah, I'm gonna go over there and wash it, get it seasoned up. So y'all stay tuned. So I'm just gonna chop me a few pieces of onions up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my onions in there. Y'all, I read that recipe and I just hope it come out right. Okay, so I got me a few little pieces of, y'all can see this. I got so much stuff over here. Okay, I'm gonna cook that chicken. Potatoes and stuff going in there last, so salt, pepper. I'm just gonna be using a little bit of seasoning. Okay, so first thing I want to do, I want to put some salt on it. I wish I had a camera that can actually, y'all can see good. Okay, we're gonna be putting some salt. I got to have this roast in there by 2 o'clock, and I keep looking at the clock. Okay, salt. This lady only used few ingredients, and that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm not gonna be using all that stuff. Okay, okay. We'll use a little bit of garlic powder. Okay. Flip it over, and I want this thing in the back. Some people put olive oil on theirs, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Did I get my little foil? Yeah, I was gonna do bell peppers, but I forgot the bell peppers in the store yesterday. And I had to go by the store today and still forgot. I couldn't remember. Okay. Yeah, I love onions. If y'all know me, I love some onions. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cook probably about 2 hours, about an hour, 2 hours. Then I'm gonna come back and add my other stuff, like my potatoes, carrots, and my cream of chicken with some, oh yeah, I'm put brown gravy in it, y'all. I did see what she put brown gravy in it. I'll cover it up. So this is how it's looking, you guys, so far. Add a little bit more seasoning. Okay. And that's how it's looking. Simple. Okay, so we're gonna cover it up. All right, let me be in there. I got it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. I got my oven set at 400, y'all. Got it high so you can cook. Okay. Put it in the oven. I meant to move that rack up some so I can put that macaroni. So I don't open up my cream of chicken. I wanted the big cans, but I got small cans. I had went to Dollar General, and they only had the small cans. So I'm using 4 cans of these small cans. And I use this, got my cream of chicken right here, and I got some brown gravy, which I done whisked already together. Okay, and I'm gonna pour this I had got the wrong bowl. This bowl was too small, so because I was gonna do it in this bowl. Okay. All right. I'm gonna whisk this. And I'm gonna add this right here to the roast. It'll been cooking about 3 hours now. 2.5 or 3. Okay. Get it a little thick. So that's how we looking. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my cream of chicken and brown gravy to it to make a thickener. And then I'm gonna come back. All right. All right, y'all, we're gonna put this back in the oven. I did, y'all, pour a little bit of that juice off it. Okay. In the oven first. Let that go. Now I need these cleaned. All of these sweet potatoes. Make us some candy yams. Y'all, I found a recipe. Another one about easy candy yams. I think this lady used only 4 ingredients. I think she used brown sugar. And I'm gonna be using the other sugar. The regular sugar. I got brown sugar, but I don't think I'm gonna use brown. And I think I'm gonna cook like 3. Okay. Alright. I gotta get me a thing going. Alright, once I get them all up here, the first one, show y'all right here. I'm just gonna chop them. And I'm gonna wash them. Oops. Okay. Alright, y'all, my macaroni noodles are about to boil. Oh, I already put that in there. So I got my green beans and potatoes over here. I did a lot of stuff off camera. Add me some pepper, a little bit of salt. Okay, I'm gonna let them boil in that for a minute. All right, I'm gonna let these green beans and potatoes boil. All right, y'all, I hope these candy yams come out right, cause man, sometimes they'll be coming out right. I don't even like to cook them, but I read that recipe. That lady said she do hers like this. see. Okay. So far, this is what I got, y'all. I ain't finished it. So, got my butter on them. I'm gonna add me some sugar. She used vanilla flavor. I'm gonna be using lemon. I don't want vanilla today, but I like vanilla. But I don't want vanilla. Okay. So we're gonna have them like that. All right, let that sit for a minute. Macaroni noodles are ready. Yeah, I'm cooking this old-fashioned macaroni. I'm only putting like, I found this on the internet, so I'm gonna add some butter in this. I'm gonna, ooh, wait a second, stir it up. Get this butter all good and melted. Let me know how y'all cook y'all macaroni. I was trying to find something easy with a little bit of ingredients. Stuff I kind of had at home. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, so I'm not gonna be grating any cheese or anything, so y'all know I cook easy. I'm gonna be using Sargento, the sharp cheddar, and I got some extra sharp cheddar. Go through some paper towels. Man, me in the kitchen need paper towels. 2 minutes. Like my fork. Put that back up. So 2 eggs. Yeah, I hope it come out right. Every time I cook my macaroni, I be hoping it come out right. Okay. Stir that up good. So far, sticky with that egg. All right, y'all, so I done added my milk in here. I had to do a lot of stuff off camera. I had to go check on stuff. Okay, so y'all, I got noodles left, and I got noodles over there left. I done cook so many noodles. I could make a little small pan of macaroni too. Okay, so I'm gonna add the extra sharp cheddar on top. Y'all hope it come out right, man. So I done added my milk, I add my eggs. Y'all look at the macaroni, it's coming, y'all, it's coming. That looks good. Okay, all right, y'all, so I'm about to add some sugar to these candy yams. Y'all, I like a lot, make them sticky. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna add some lemon. All right, y'all, so these the candy yams. I done added my lemon, the sugar, the butter, and I'm gonna see how they turn out. I didn't add the vanilla, remember, I didn't add the vanilla, the cinnamon, or the nutmeg. Everybody had, I just found the recipe that was easy. So I hope it turned out right. So I took my roast out. I'm about to add my potatoes. Y'all, that looks so freaking good. Oh my God, that look good. Okay, so I'm about to add my carrots and my potatoes. Good. Add a few pieces of carrots. I try to break them big ones. Okay. Add me some potatoes. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add all these potatoes. Y'all, the rice is coming. The candy yams, oh yeah, they smell so good. They coming. And the roast continue cooking. All right, y'all, we got our rice. I put a little bit of butter in it. We got some little bit of green beans and potatoes. Y'all, I finally got these candy yams. I think they right. They taste pretty good. That's the candy yams. yes. Okay, all right, y'all, so everything is ready. Woo. I need almost of that gravy. Most of that gravy. Ooh. Now I'm gonna taste it and see what it tastes like, y'all. So we got our chuck roast, potatoes, carrots, mac and cheese, some candy yams, and some green beans. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna taste this food. I'm gonna rate it. It looks so good. The roast came out pretty good. It came out pretty good. How long it cooked? Okay, so let's roast some rice. Good. Let's taste this macaroni. This macaroni is good. Candy yams. They're good. I like to eat them together. My macaroni, candy yam, green beans. Green beans need a little bit of salt, a little bit of season, some more season. But overall, y'all, this is good. This is good. This is the macaroni I've been trying to cook. But I'm gonna get a little better at it. I give my macaroni a 7.5. Candy yams about an 8. This roast over this rice, oh my God, 8.59. And these green beans, about a 7.5. So this whole plate, I'm gonna rate it at a 8.5, y'all. 8.5. It's good. Good, y'all, good. Good. Let me take a piece of that roast. Tender. Alright, y'all. If y'all would like to see more, make sure you guys thumb up this video. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye.